If you find yourself needing to save a transaction for later, simply navigate to the right side of the screen, navigate to Actions, and select Save for Later. Confirm that you would like to save this transaction for later. Fantastic. You'll then see that all the items on the screen and any payments have disappeared. All totals should be reset. You are then free to proceed with any new transactions as you wish, right? So if you'd like to bring up the transaction that you just saved, navigate back to Actions, and right next to Save for Later, select Saved Transactions. Then find the transaction you would like to restore. You can click this button here to view the number of the items, the customer associated with the transaction, and the total. Then select Restore. Confirm. And that should bring back all the items and all payments associated with the transaction.